Hi, this is Dr. Fab Mancini, and I just want to tell you the Changing Life and Destiny event, probably one of the best healthcare events in the nation, but let me tell you why. This event brings some of the top practitioners in the world, over 100 of the best technologies in healthcare that have actually proven to be able to be very effective in managing our disease process, but also it brings the doctors. So when you come to this event, you're going to get to surround yourself with not only amazing vendors like you see right now, they also have a gala every Friday night. So Friday night is a gala where we get to dress up in our tuxedos, our cocktail attires, and we get to celebrate each other.
I have never been at a show with such high quality attendees and vendors. If you're attending and you're looking for really thoughtful, high integrity, high quality products that will make a difference to you and your family, this is the place for you. And if you're a vendor looking to share your knowledge, share your products, share your services with a community that is eager to learn, eager to improve their health, and desperately is looking for the truth, this is the place for you.
Hi, my name is Rick Anson. I am at the Change Your Life Destiny event here in Plano, Texas. I've traveled for 7 straight weekends in 2 different countries, 7 different trade shows. This is the best trade show I've been to in the last 2 years. We had the most amazing black tie dinner. We had Dale Bigtree, the owner of Maha. We had Dr. Fab Mancini, world famous practitioner. We had Dr. Porter with BrainTap. We had Dr. Daniel Pompa with the Pompa program. So many amazing international speakers. It's such an amazing event. You have to be here next year.
I just spent the last 3 days here at the Changing Life and Destiny conference, and I have to say this is one of the most powerful and beautiful conferences I've been to. I mean, just rooms filled with thought leaders, really powerful healers and experts, visionary, and even some of the products. I was laying in laser beds like I've never seen. So the technology that's happening here, I really think that this is, events like this, with this many people coming together, this is really, an emerging moment, and you can feel it here. It's palpable, and it's been an incredible experience to just dance with all of these incredible minds, and I can't wait to come back.
Every year, it's always a pleasure to be at Changing Life and Destiny. It's, every event is great. Every event they have a lot of different booths, different technologies, but here on top of all of this, there's a real sense of family. It's almost like we come here and we get back with our friends. So so that's really, really nice. And an additional part also to this event, I think of all the events that we do throughout the year, it's one of the top events for the number of people actually attending, the number of people coming to the booth. So anyway, it's one of the greatest events. We love coming back, and we'll keep coming back.
Hello everyone, Dr. Nathan Bryan here at Changing Life and Destiny, Plano, Texas 2025 conference. And once again, Al and Roxy have outdone themselves. This is a spectacular conference. I've been coming to this conference for the past 4 years. This is by far, it gets better and better every year, and this year was a huge success.
So many great vendors, so many great speakers. I've learned a lot. I've been able to see a lot of old friends here. Lots of great new technology. Listen guys, if you really want to see what's going on and what people are doing, this is the heart and soul of what people like to cliche call biohacking, but what I also call biostacking, putting all these things together and really creating next level results for patients, which are the most important thing.
Hi, my name is Danielle Forsgren. I'm president and co-founder of Avston Medical, and this is our 3rd year here at Changing Life and Destiny. And I want to say, it's like when we come back to Texas and Dallas and see Al and Roxy and Stephanie, it's like coming home to family. And we love the people who come here. They're definitely our tribe. This is our 3rd year here. And I want to say this year particularly, you guys have really stepped it up. And it has been an absolute pleasure to be here. And we're looking forward to next year already.
It's Mike Woods coming from the Changing Life and Destiny Conference here in Plano, Texas. And I'm telling you what, this is where all the smart, enlightened people come to learn, to interact, to stretch, and to grow. Look, we all know that there are some serious issues with the medical system in the United States of America, big pharma, big medicine, etc., etc. Well, this is the alternative. This is the antidote. This is where people come to learn, to share, to grow. So if that resonates with you, if you're the kind of person who values truth and you value autonomy, come and learn and interact. They're wonderful people, great exhibits, great teaching, fabulous stuff going on. We just encourage you to come. Changing Life and Destiny.
We're here at Changing Life and Destiny in Plano, Texas. We're close to Dallas. And it's our third year here. We love it. It's a great show. There's tons of people here. Everybody here, all the clients that come through are very educated, like-minded people that want to help people. There's tons of booths, really cool experiences, a bunch of great speakers. And we always have a good time of connection. We meet some of the most amazing people at this show. We definitely love it and excited to be a part of it.
My name is Victoria and I'm with Apex Water Research Institute, and we're here for the third year in a row at the Changing Life Destiny Conference. And I have to say, this is one of the best conferences we've ever been to. If anyone is questioning whether to attend this conference or to become a vendor, I would highly recommend you look into coming and experiencing the Changing Life Destiny Conference here in Plano, Texas.
My name is Al Pernia. I'm the founder of the Changing Life and Destiny Conference. We're just about to finish the 6th conference here in Dallas, Texas. We do it every April, the end of April, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And we showcase 100 technologies changing healthcare. These are technologies that are restoring health, preventing disease, promoting wellness. So please join us the next time in April, the end of April, in Dallas, Texas.